We got Jake in the back.
Sir, come on.
Come on, now we're in recovery real quick.
You're cool, punch. Let's get it.
Oh, it's that water.
Ooh. Yeah. All right, let's get it. Yeah, come on. Ooh. Ooh.
What you call that, man?
Yes, sir.
Woo! Right there.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, this is what we do right here.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Come on.
Oh, this was better than the ocean, guys.
Yeah, it's a little colder.
Yeah.
Definitely colder.
That river going soaky. Oh, Chad. I've been at the river in over 4 months. First time back, we're doing 4 10 minutes in here. Hit the recovery, hit the calm down state. This is how you relax your nervous system, Chad.
So, Chad, let's go.
The more relaxed your nervous system is, the better your life's gonna be.
Recovery.
Slowing down on life. When I was trying to move too quick and I was chasing pleasures, that's when my life was miserable. But when I started reflecting, I started realizing who I could become if I started doing hard things and calming down my mind. I would have control over my life. I'd have a purpose. Come on, that's where it starts. It starts with soaking them. Soaking the cows. That J-Dog in the back, he's did the
Oh, yeah.
That's what we do. Woo! It was real nice to be back, guys. It was real
Sir.
nice. Come on. You guys didn't know. Going down the nugget actually doubles your key. So if you're a man, you want to feel like a man, you gotta soak them in the cold water. Or ice your balls in the morning. You know, it's gonna help you be a man. It's gonna help you build a 10 out of 10 body. Because the higher your testosterone is, the easier it's gonna be for you to build that body. It's that simple. The facts add up. Eat the protein, soak the balls, double your key. You tell me, go, right there.
Come on, huh? Yeah.
Good.